AI and Occupational Health and Safety. Artificial intelligence. While AI offers socioeconomic benefits, its implementation requires careful consideration due to its potential to automate human jobs and impact worker autonomy, privacy, and equality. The extent of AI adoption and its impact varies across countries, influenced by economic structure, infrastructure, and job tasks. Additionally, the growing field of AI-based worker management (AIWM) systems raises several ethical concerns. Despite these risks, AI can improve job quality and create new opportunities if implemented thoughtfully, with proper management practices to safeguard workers' rights and well-being. Social dialogue in metal industries. The integration of AI into metalworking and related sectors such as construction and aerospace highlights the importance of dialogue between workers, employers, and governments. Social dialogue is critical in managing AI's implications, including its influence on labor practices, occupational safety, and skill requirements. Trade unions and worker representatives are seen as essential in negotiating AI's integration, ensuring it serves to enhance, rather than replace, human labor. Several case studies, including agreements reached between trade unions and companies, like Partesa and Hermes, illustrate the practical outcomes of such dialogue. The European Union's AI Act and other regulatory measures are critiqued for prioritizing market and industrial concerns over worker protection. Despite AI's potential to improve working conditions by automating repetitive tasks and reducing human error, concerns remain about its ethical implications, the risk of deskilling, and the need for continual social dialogue to ensure AI supports worker autonomy and industrial expertise. Collective bargaining agreements. This chapter presented 3 cases of collective agreements where social partners have collaboratively addressed the challenges posed by AI in the workplace, focusing on workers' health, safety, and work-life balance. The 2019 Joint Recommendations of European Trade Unions and Central Government Employers Organizations issued recommendations to enhance work-life balance amid digitalization. Key guidelines included conducting regular psychosocial risk assessments, ensuring compliance with EU teleworking agreements, promoting communication to prevent stress and burnout, collaborating among HR professionals, health and safety experts, and employee representatives, raising awareness of the risks associated with digital overwork, supporting employees in recognizing early signs of stress, and maintaining communication with flexible workers to prevent isolation. The 2020 Framework Agreement on AI of European Trade Union Confederation and employer organizations reached a non-binding agreement on AI deployment, emphasizing keeping humans in control of AI systems, preventing harm through risk assessments, and ensuring transparency and fairness to avoid bias and discrimination. The agreement mandates transparency when AI is used in HR processes, granting workers the right to request human intervention and contest AI-driven decisions. The 2021 Spanish agreement between trade unions UGT and CCO secured an agreement focusing on workers' rights on digital labor platforms. It requires platforms to disclose algorithms affecting working conditions to trade unions and workers, ensuring transparency and the right to information for all platform workers. These collective bargaining agreements represent proactive steps to safeguard workers' rights and well-being from AI systems. They stress the importance of transparency, fairness, and human oversight in managing the growing impacts of AI in the workplace. Human-centered, transparent, and collaborative implementation. The primary emphasis is on ensuring AIWM systems are human-centered. The guidelines stress the importance of transparency, accountability, and data privacy, including workers' rights to explanations of AI decisions and control over data collection. Additionally, the text underscores the need for continuous evaluation of AIWM systems, particularly considering their self-learning capabilities that might introduce new risks over time. Furthermore, education and training are highlighted to boost AI literacy among workers and employers, ensuring active participation in shaping AI systems. The guidelines advocate for a co-governance approach, emphasizing the collaboration between social partners, employers and developers to safeguard worker privacy, health and safety, while also complementing public policies and institutions. Building capacity. Through the Building Union Capacity to Shape Digitalization project, they identified workers' needs and created 5 key tools. Data Lifecycle at Work, which helps map how management collects, uses, and stores data. Negotiating Data Rights, which is an interactive tool to understand and strengthen workers' data rights. Co-Governing AI, which is a guide with 19 questions for holding management accountable when deploying digital systems. To Digital Bargaining Hub, which is a database of adaptable bargaining clauses and agreements. And the Digital Impact Framework, which supports unions in digital transformation processes.